Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada and UK. I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD, etc. So in this video, I'll be recommending few stocks for 11th March 2021. So this analysis is for 11th March only. I'll be coming again or you'll see me tomorrow again with tomorrow's analysis. And please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I try to bring videos just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So the first stock for the day is NTR Nutrien Limited. And you can see that Nutrien has closed at 72.09 yesterday and there is a resistance at 72.17 level. Okay, just above the uh, closing price. Yesterday it tried to cross the daily resistance but it failed. So what should be a strategy for today? Your strategy is simple. Buy the stock if you get the stock above 72.20 level. Buy the stock if you get the stock above 72.20 level. In case there is a gap up open, then wait for 30 minutes. And if you after 30 minutes also you see that the stock is trading above 72.20 level, it's a buy. And during the market session, if it crosses the daily resistance and gives a breakout, then wait for 15-30 minutes. Just see how the price is reacting, whether the price is trading comfortably or not above the resistance. After 15-30 minutes, if you see that okay, price is trading naturally comfortably, then you can go ahead and buy above 72.20 level. So the next stock for the day is Suncor Energy. For Suncor Energy, you can see that yesterday it has closed at 28.41 level, just below the daily resistance. Okay. So what should be your strategy? Your strategy is buy above 28.6. Okay. If you get the stock above 28.6, it's a buy. If there is a gap up open, wait for 30 minutes. If during the market session it gives a breakout, then wait for 15-30 minutes. Just check how the price is reacting, whether price is trading comfortably or not. Then only go for a buy order. Try to understand the market psychology. Okay, that's it. Okay, do not buy right away. In case you get the stock between this 27.5 and 28.4 level, then you do not need to trade. That's your no trading zone. So the third stock for the day is BMO, Bank of Montreal. As I always say, it's a very good stock with nice uptrend. Okay, but for day trading, yesterday it tried to cross the daily resistance at 111 level, but it failed. Ultimately closed at 110.15. So as the stock is in uptrend overall, so we will be only looking for buying opportunity, and we will get the opportunity only above 111 level. Okay, same thing applies if there is a gap up open, if then wait for 50-30 minutes, and in case there is a breakout during the session, similarly wait for 15-30 minutes just to check how the price is reacting. Okay, just let the resistance become the support, then only you should go for a buy order. Okay, this is very essential. Okay, resistance should become the support, then only you'll get the area of failure, then only your risk to reward ratio will match. So the next stock is BNS, Bank of Nova Scotia. Unlike BMO, unlike Bank of Montreal, it has successfully closed above the daily resistance at 78.6 and ultimately closed at 79.08. That's a good sign. So it is also a very good stock with a nice uptrend. So your strategy is simple for the day. If you get the stock above this 79.43 level, so if you get a stock above 79.4 level, it's a buy. In case there is some kind of selling pressure on the market, okay, and you see that it is going down, then it should get support at the 78.5 level. Do not think of shorting the stock. Okay, In case there is a selling pressure, then stock should get some support at 78.5 level, and if it bounces from 78.5 level after some sell, then you can also catch the stock at 78.5. On the other hand, if you do not get the price of 78.4, so 78.5, then try to grab the stock above 79.4. So this is a simple strategy for Bank of Nova Scotia for 11th March. And the next stock is Ambridge. For Ambridge, you can see that right now it is in a range. Day before yesterday, it tried to cross this 45.7 level, but it failed. Yesterday also there, though it has made a green candle, but there was some price rejection from above. Okay. So in case you get the stock today below this level, 44.9 level, you can short the stock. Short the stock below 44.9, and if you get the stock between 45 and 45.7 level, I mean I'm talking about this range, then you do not need to trade. This is your no trading zone. Buy only above 45.7 and sell below 44.9. So these are the two prices that you need to watch for Enbridge. And the last stock for the day is TC Energy, TRP. For TRP, you can see that it has somehow managed to close above the daily resistance, okay, which was at 57.9, and ultimately the stock closed at 58.05. It has made a high of 58.29. So the strategy for TC Energy is we will look for buying opportunity above 58.3 level. If you get the stock at 57 to 58 level, you do not need to trade. Only buy above 58.3. If there is a gap up open, wait for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, just understand the psychology of the market. If the market is trading comfortably, if you see that the stock is doing nice above the resistance, then you can go for a buy. In case stock opens below the 58.3 level, then wait and wait until and unless there is a breakout. If there is a breakout, again wait for 15 to 30 minutes. Let the market feel comfortable. Let the resistance become the support. Then only you should go ahead and click on the buy button. So these are the stocks where you can make money on 11 March 2021. So hopefully you have liked it, and if you have found the video useful and informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. I'll see you tomorrow again with the recommendation for tomorrow. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and good luck.